Car modification videos are absolutely dominating social media right now. They're satisfying, packed with realistic ASMR sounds, and filled with stunning luxury car transformations that keep people watching until the very end. Just take a look at this Instagram page. In just a few months, it has gained more than 100,000 followers by posting these videos alone. Its top-performing videos have reached 18.5 million views, 7.6 million views, and 1.9 million views. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to create these viral luxury car modification videos using completely free AI tools. Now let's get started. First, we need to generate our visual prompt. Head over to the Google Doc linked in the video description and copy the entire prompt. Next, open any AI text tool. For this tutorial, we'll be using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt into ChatGPT and click Enter. Within a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a list of luxury cars for you to choose from. Browse through the options and select the car you want to modify. If you already have a specific car in mind, you can simply enter it manually. After selecting your car, press Enter and ChatGPT will ask you to choose a color for your vehicle. Pick your favorite color from the list and press Enter again. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed video prompt that we'll use to create our luxury car modification video. Now it's time to bring our video to life. Head over to Flow AI and switch to the video section. Next, select ingredients. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Choose the Omni Flash model and set the video duration to 10 seconds. Now head back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt we just generated, paste it into Flow AI prompt box, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your luxury car modification video will be ready. Simply download it to your device. And now, let's take a look at the final result. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and let me know if you have any question in the comment section.